You can actually make really good waffles using just pancake mix. It's super simple and I'll show you how. Here's the ingredient list for this recipe. You can pause or take a quick screenshot to note it down. Start by adding 2 cups of pancake mix into a bowl. Then pour in 1.5 cup of milk. Then add the egg and the tablespoon of olive oil or any kind of oil. The vanilla extract here is optional. Then mix everything together until the batter is smooth. You want it thick but also pourable. The consistency should look something like this. Now preheat your waffle maker. Now pour in the batter carefully so it does not spill over. Then close the lid. You have to wait a few minutes until the waffles are golden and crispy. Make sure you at least give it 2 minutes to cook. Open it carefully. Perfect. The waffles look perfectly cooked, golden and crispy. Look at that. How soft, fluffy and crunchy they look. Once your waffles are ready, plate them up. I like adding some banana slices, a drizzle of chocolate syrup and a touch of maple syrup on top. Simple, delicious and ready to enjoy. And that's it. Easy waffles using pancake mix. Enjoy!